Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your device and a working Capcut install. This avoids wasted steps. Next, pick a reputable VPN with high-speed servers and a privacy policy you trust, because latency affects video uploads. Once installed, create your account, sign in, and enable core features like the kill switch and auto-connect so that your connection remains private during media transfers. Make sure location permissions are set only if required, and keep Capcut closed while you first connect so the app recognizes the new IP. You now connect and configure. Choose a VPN server in a region that provides the Capcut feature set you need, because geographic restrictions vary. Once connected, switch the protocol to WireGuard or OpenVPN for better speed and reliability. This reduces upload time. Then clear Capcut's cache or app data and fully restart Capcut so it initializes with the VPN-assigned IP address. If you plan to upload large files, make sure background data is allowed, and battery optimizations are off to prevent disconnects during transfers. You finish by testing Capcut features and an actual upload. This confirms the VPN is doing its job. If a feature remains blocked, log out of Capcut and log back in, then test again. Sometimes session data ties to the old region. If problems persist, switch to a different VPN server, toggle the VPN protocol, or reinstall the VPN app to clear misconfigurations. As a troubleshooting tip, check speeds and temporarily use a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection to isolate whether the problem is network quality versus VPN routing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.